When we push or pull an object, we do it by means of a force. So force is an interaction between two bodies which causes acceleration or simple motion. There are a lot of objects around us where we can observe the changes in motion. Like for example, a moving fan. When you switch off a moving fan, it doesn't stop suddenly. It gradually slows down and finally comes to rest. So here we can notice how the motion is gradually slowing down just to finally come to rest. Okay, so an object is in motion when we apply a force and comes to rest when we remove this force. But what is the true nature of an object? Is it in motion or is it in rest? Well, this was a question asked by many philosophers, starting off with Aristotle. So this guy said that an object's true nature is to stay at rest because he thought that any moving object will naturally come to rest at a certain point. But this guy, Galileo, he did not accept this. So he did various experiments which you will learn in detail further on in the chapter and concluded that an object in motion will remain in the same motion as long as there is no external force that is applied against it. Well, anyway, one simple yet a crucial factor that Galileo did not take into consideration is one of the primary factors of the surface, which is, yes, friction of the surface. Look at these two flat surfaces. One of them is smooth and the other is rough. So, the speed at which any object moves changes in both of these surfaces. It moves effortlessly faster on the smooth surface and moves much slower on the surface that has friction. But in the real world, you can never find a surface without friction. And in fact, friction is the reason we are able to walk on the ground, stop a fast-moving vehicle, etc. Because think of a surface that has no friction. You will never be able to stop a car, you will not be able to ride a bicycle, you will not be able to do a lot of things. Well, anyway, there are many other such factors and properties that determine motion and also help us understand the connection between force and change in motion. So until next time, happy learning!